All right, in this minute, we're going to be going over the 5-minute clothing drop campaign system by Mocked AI. And I'm going to show you guys how you can make a complete campaign for your brand in under 5 minutes. So I'm going to put a timer on the clock right now and let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to leave the model at GPT image 2. I'm going to leave it at portrait. We're going to do a male model. I'm going to change this to 22, leave it at Caucasian. The hairstyle I'm going for is clean shaven. Bald. I'm going to change the hair color to blonde. I'm going to leave the pose at symmetrical. I'm going to change the expression to looking away. Leave the front facing. For clothing, I'm going to do a t-shirt. We're going to do oversized, and I'm going to change the color to garment dyed black. I'm going to change the bottom clothing to cargo pants, oversized as well. Do these in black too. Now, other clothing here, you can do a bunch of stuff, hats, accessories, jewelry, but I'm just gonna do the shoes, black leather loafers. Now for the location, this is where you can get really creative, but I'm going for a kind of emo, goth, kind of dirty, dingy, abandoned place. So I'm gonna go floor to ceiling, wall of cracked, missing white tiles, exposing rough concrete, dark, dirty, dingy floor, black stains, scarves, dust and debris. I'm gonna click next now. We're gonna come into photography. I'm gonna change the style to lifestyle, leave it on DSLR, leave the lens. I am gonna just add a little bit of garment distressing. And then we're gonna click generate and wait. This usually takes about 30 seconds, depending on the model that you use. Others can take longer. So I'm just gonna speed this up, but the time is gonna keep going. Cool, now we've got our hero mockup generated. It looks pretty cool. I am now going to add our design, which I've got uploaded in the gallery here. Now, as you can see, the t-shirt has some cool like folds and wrinkles in it. And as I move my design over, you can see that it's wrapping and moving to those wrinkles. So it makes it look super realistic. Once I've got my placement good, and I'm happy with it, I'm then going to come down to this button here, create product views. This is where you can generate all the extra images for your campaign really easily. So for this one, I'm going to do a front lay front. I'm going to do a print close up. We're going to do a torso zoom. We're going to do a model left side, 3/4 right, and we're also going to do an air toss. And you can see down here, it's going to cost me 12 credits. So I'm going to click generate. It's going to start generating all of those images. And you can see here that you get this kind of cool mood board that you can play around with. You can really get a good vibe for what your campaign is going to end up looking like. So I'm also going to speed this process up, but the time is going to keep going. Cool, now as you can see, in under 5 minutes, we've created 7 different images for this t-shirt design that we can upload to our site right now. Start taking pre-orders. You can post them on your socials as a sneak peek, emails, marketing ads. Like in under 5 minutes, we've created a complete campaign drop for your clothing brand that is ready to go.